Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to log into your Bank Dhofar account, then this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can log into your account. So through this web portal, you can go to the bankdhofar.com, and from here you can find this online banking. Pull it this texture, the link or button. Now here you can find, it will lead you to this page where you can find personal internet banking, business internet banking, or corporate internet banking. There are three type bankings are available, so choose your one. So I'm going with personal internet banking. Now it will ask for the credentials like your user ID that you have got from your physical bank branch nearby you. After adding that user ID, you can select the language from here and simply click on login, and you are good to go. And if you're a new user, you can simply click on new user. The application security that you have to do is simply make sure you can go to this, and you will be able to apply for a new account. So it will ask for more details like your residential proof, valid documents, and other things like your ID card and also your face verification. Also, you can go to your nearest bank to open the bank account and you can find the credentials given by them that you can use to access your online banking on Bank Dhofar. And also you can use the Bank Dhofar official application that's available on Google Play Store and the App Store. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.